Hello, my dear kids and friends. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bharadwaj with the sound of consonant letters W, H, and CK words. Okay, W, H words and CK words. Okay, dear. In this way, you may enrich your vocabulary and you may correct your pronunciation too. So, dear, here WH words have been written. You may see on the whiteboard letter words written here. WHAT, what means क्या? WHERE, where, कहाँ? WHEN, when, कब? WHOI, OI, क्यों? WHICH, which. Here, dear, WH now pronounced as O. O sound symbol, okay, consonant sound symbol, and this one is pronounced as O sound. Here you see WH to be pronounced as O. In these words, we may learn, we find WH pronounced as O. But here, dear, English is very funny language. Okay, pronunciation of English too very funny. Example, I mean proof of it. You may see here. WH pronounced as O. Right, in these words you have seen the pronunciation of these words you have seen. And next, I have also given three words, WH words. So here, dear, you find now WH. So, okay, sound symbol. Now this one pronounced as ha. WH pronounced as ha. In these words, you may see, you may find, you may pronounce too. WHO, ho. Now sound symbol. Here I have given sound symbol. Ho, कौन या जो कि whose, WHOSE, whose किसका जिसका, WHOM, whom किसको जिसको. Here in these words WH pronounced as ha, right? It means ha, pronounced as ha. It shows W is a silent here. What does it show? W here silent. It shows W silent, and ha is pronounced in these words. You may see. Next, come to this point here. WHAT. WH here now pronounced as over. So what does it show? It shows is silent here. You may see, you can see, you may see. WH in WH H is silent. What, where, when, why, and which. So here, dear, a very good proof, very means proof of you may prove that WH in these words now H is silent, and in these words you may say that W is silent and H is pronounced. So English is very funny language. In this way, we may learn, we may enrich our vocabulary, and we may correct our pronunciation. Next goes to you, CK, that is pronounced as Ka, sound symbol here. Ka, K, here now sound symbol, and pronounced as CK, pronounced as Ka. In these words, now BACK, back, पीठ या पीछे, साइक बोरा लूटना, लाइक कमी अभाव, सिक्के you see, okay, like सिक्के, patti, sikanja, and jack. CK here you find gulam, to tash patton mein gulam. So here we have CK back, ऐसे CK sack, L CK like, R CK like, and J CK jack. So here now you have seen English is a very funny language. Pronunciation of English is also very funny. Okay, dear. Wish you all the best. Thanks.